There are these guys who have a brand new vending machine on the market, guys of supermarkets and any place for buying and selling things. The thing is automatic, unmanned. You come select what you want and you get what you want. And why should I speak so much? You need to watch this because you'll meet the vending machine and you want something and you'll be there struggling. So there's somebody who's going to show you process by process how you can buy a bottle of water like the one I bought. So let the man take it away.
They are purchased, distributed, and there are also some for hire from a company named Vendbar that is bringing these things and hiring them around. So basically, the operation of the vending machine. This vending machine has compartments in here in form of columns on different levels. Level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4, level 5, level 6. This one has 6 levels. They can be, which can be adjusted according to customer preference. So if these columns, we normally refer to them as aisles, they have numbers. So if you come closer, you realize it's number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5. Then on the second level, there's 1, 1, which is 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Like that, like that, like that. These aisles have different capacities. Some take up to 8, but on each level, the capacity is the same. Aisle 1 has its own as a product and has 8 more going behind. Aisle 2 has another product and has 8 more going behind. Now this is the display. So you come here and view the different products from the display from this glass. And then now we come to this because it's supposed to be unmanned. This surface here, it displays the menu, which is whatever is in here according to the numbers. For example, number 1, aisle 1, has a popcorn, Sam's popcorn, whatever. And if you come here on the menu, you will find it's the same thing. It displays the product with its price. You swipe like this, look for the product you want, identify the product, capture its number, the number of the column onto which it is. Then you come here, the menu, look for the number. Yeah, for example, now we need water. We first identify the aisle numbers that are on water. Water is in aisle number 36, 37, 38, 39, and 40. Okay? You come here and check the aisles 36, 37, 38, 39, and 40. They are the ones that have water, and it's displayed here with its price on each aisle, which is the same, basically 2,000, 2,000, 2,000, all through. So we need water. So we shall put this 5,000 in here, the slot that takes the money. Put 5,000, it takes the money. After taking the money, here the credit was 00, it's going to credit us. So it has credited the 5,000. It has fed it onto our wallet here. So now we are going to get water from aisle 036. You come here, you either select from here, you tap onto this 036, or you come to this option where you feed in the aisle number directly, 036. It automatically displays the product that is there, then dispenses it down. It has pushed the product down, you push here, then you get the water. Take the water, then you come back here to the screen, then you find out that we still have change of 3,000, which is or balance or change, whatever. Change of 3,000. So pressing here on this change button, you tap on the change button, then it brings you back this 3,000. So you pull out the first one. This is the second one. This is the third one. So our transaction is basically done.